Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am in Ikea, one of my favorite places for Christmas decor, and I'm bringing you with me. Let's go shopping.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
I love Ikea, especially during the holidays, so let's get right into what they're putting out. They do have these straw goats bound with some red ribbon, and these are $19.99. My favorite item is the hanging wreath. This is so pretty. So it is petite. It is $9.99, probably about a 12-inch round, and it does have a light up LED candle at the bottom. They also have the pine snowflakes for $5 a piece. I love these. And this lantern, so it is so heavy. It is $14.99. It is in a dark hunter green, and it is metal. It is a good size. It is 14 inches tall from top to bottom. And online they have some smaller versions for $6. For $30, they have this gorgeous stainless steel wine cooler. It would be a beautiful centerpiece. They're also putting out lots of different tableware pieces. We are going to get into the kitchen linens and all of the things they've got out for holiday. I'm going to show you guys my favorites first. For $12.99, they have this wire cake pedestal. Now for some Christmas decorations, for $8, they have this beautiful tree. It does look like crystal. They also have this really cute light up snow globe for $20. For $8, they have this adorable ceramic Santa. So it is smaller than the Santas we've seen in the last few years. And this, which I think my vintage friends are gonna really love. It's a ceramic tea light holder for $9.99. This is also a great buy at $14.99. So it is a standing wire tree. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, but I think the packaging is adorable as well. It is a green tree box. So this would be great for a small space. You can hang a few ornaments. You could even put your Christmas cards on it, or an office space would be perfect. I'm also a big fan of their lanterns. Now this one is a bit pricey for Ikea. It is $25. Now the outer portion is glass and it is quite heavy. It is metal. Love this shape, but these are fantastic. I think kids would love these for $7.99 and $8.99. They have some beautiful stars within them. And for $5, they have a beautiful red lantern. Now, I believe these also come in other colors. I've seen them before in black, but they've got the red out for Christmas. I'm also a big fan of the green glass pieces that they're putting out for Christmas. They're all really affordable. They have this pair of 2 dishes for $20. And my favorite, thank you so much IKEA for doing pillow covers for the holidays. They have a lot to choose from. They have gnomes, they have plaid, some reindeer, a beautiful red and white stripe, and my favorite is this one with the trees for $5. Such a good price. They also have some in fur. Yes, fur, and they're affordable, $14.99, and the $12.99 is the Sherpa. So I pulled them out to take a look, and they are really, really nice. If this is your thing, you may want to check out Ikea for some pillow covers for the holidays. Now we're gonna go through some more decor, some gnomes, and the trees.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Ikea to see what they're putting out for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.